So by the way, I'm Kevin. I'll be showing you how to set up the 3D digital clock. So the instructions, this will be included in the package, but for easier demonstration, I'll be teaching you and showing you. So this alarm clock goes into 3 modes. We have the date, time, and temperature. As you can see, every few seconds it changes. So to set the correct time, we need to hold. So there are 3 buttons here: the set, up, and the down, to navigate the 3. Okay. So for the time, we hold the set button. It goes to the setup mode. So it will let you choose if you want the 12-hour period or the 24 hours. So let's say we want to 24 hours. If we want to select next, we just click the set button once. So after the set button, this one is the hour. So right now, the time now is around 7:20. So you just to go to 19. Then once you're done, you can click the set button. Then it goes to the minutes column. So 20. Once you're done, just click next. So for the time, it's done. So next, we want to go to the date. Again, we hold the set button to adjust the date. So it's on. So this is the year. It's on 2018. So we want to go to 2020. So this is the months column. So April 16. So the date is set already. So last, we'll go to alarm. So there are 3 alarm modes here. So meaning you can set up to 3 alarm clocks. So this digital alarm clock, it will know what time you want to set. Okay, so let's try to set up the first alarm clock. So again, we hold the set button to set the alarm. So let's say we want to set an alarm the next day for 10 a.m. in the morning. So we adjust the button and we click the set, and we'll go to the minutes. Let's say we want to 10 a.m. So if we want to trigger the alarm next morning, we need to click the up button. As you can see, if you click the up button, it will show the on sign here. But if we don't want to have the alarm next morning, you can click the up button again to show this one. So you'll know if it's for alarm the next morning. So basically, that's just the basic functions of setting up